How to uninstall all bloatware apps on Windows 11. Now, this video is not only applicable from Windows 11, but it is also applicable for Windows 10 lower or higher. So what you want to do is just your typical removing or uninstalling any certain features that you have from your operating system on your PC. So what you can do is just go directly to the Windows icon and just simply tap in apps and features. So again, these also applies for Windows 10 or lower and higher. Now in here, you just have to manually try to look for bloating or upload apps in here, or you can try to use a search box for a convenient way. For example, this is going to be your bloatware apps. All you have to do is just to click on uninstall and you're good to go. And that's it. That's how easy and quick you can uninstall all bloatware apps on Windows 11.